Alright, let's see here. I just got on this new airplane. Here we go. I'm not right now. I'm gonna go find my seat in the back. Hold up.
Good to see you, sir. You look like you need something delicious.
Excuse me? You? Yes, you. My drink appears to be empty. Go fetch me a fresh bottle.
Not the waiter. Or whatever his name was. Dispose of it, dispose of it, dispose. Dude. Get your leg. Dear God. Oh, wait. Thank you for putting yourself right next to the door. There we go. Problem solved. Wait, is that Pooey from SML? No, I'm just kidding. Ooh. I can't reach it. Go over here and get it. Oh, wait, let me just eat all this stuff. Hold up. I'm gonna give this one to my friend over here. Hold up. Oh, we already got one. Clean that. Hey. Eat this. It's good, isn't it? Yeah. Dude. Bro. What the? I'm not doing anything, okay? Get this out of the way. Dang it, okay, it won't work. It's just ink. It's just ink. He's like bendy. Get out of here. Bye-bye. Alright, brother. Who's this? I didn't know you had twin brothers. Hold up. There you go, maybe it's your twin brother. I think I can do something with that. He asked for them. Hold up. This wasn't me. You know. Get. Oh wait. Get out of the plane. You're banned. Yeah, you're banned. You're banned. You're banned. Alright, sir. Dude. Bye-bye. I didn't do this. Everything, it was like this when I found it. I totally swear. You know? That wasn't me. That was her. Hold on. Bye-bye. That wasn't me. You know? I'm gonna drive the plane now. I have nothing to say, okay? Let's see. What can I do? It's just a taser. It's not real. It's a toy. Vroom, 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 vroom. Vroom, vroom, vroom. Vroomity vroom vroom. It don't work. Alright, guys. That wasn't me. I need to get through here quickly.
Whoa. This area's off limits. This is the private deck. Unless
Oh,
you're
it's
a
not.
billionaire.
Oh, I forgot. I forgot what happens when you kill the not kill when you don't when you make the pilot fall asleep. Get down! We're flying onto a highway! What the fudge? I'm gonna die. I'm literally gonna die. No, let me out. Oh. This wasn't me, you know. Hold on. I think I can get away. Hold up. Boom. Hold up. Here we go. Guys, I'm a good police officer. I can run away. You know, I have other things to do, you know? Wait. I'm not... Oh no. The world doesn't continue. Oh no!